Hi, my name is Christopher, and I'm going to be the negative rebuttal against my opponent, Alexandria Gutierrez. Alright, first off, I'm going to reiterate the issue of time and the importance and variability when involving life in our country. My opponent does not necessarily propose an exact solution to the longevity of these missions. Like I stated in my negative construction, these missions are going to take at most 10, 15, 20 years. Who knows how our situation is to look like in that time regarding water and energy. Like I stated before, we could have developed technology that completely expels the necessity to mine the moon. Now, when I propose my disadvantage, she does not exactly propose an exact solution when I mention my point of depriving the earth of precious elements. She proposes a solution to using an alternative source of fuel, but again, that fuel in turn is going to need its own source of natural elements, which again is going to deprive the earth of precious materials, and there's not exactly a way to return these elements or materials back to the earth. So all in all, we're going to be harming the earth when depriving the earth of these precious materials and elements. Now, my opponent does not mention or propose a definitive answer to the location of the mined water. This water, if used to be a source of emergency water, it would be problematic for it to be stored on the moon. And when in the case of having it stored here on Earth, the issue of time again arises. How long would it take to transport the water from the moon to the Earth? And in what quantities are these missions supposed to take? Now, my opponent, again, does not answer my question or claim of being able to mine the moon. Because again, the United States does not have claim or ownership of the moon. So we don't exactly have the ability to physically alter the moon's surface or exterior in order to mine the water that is said to be in the moon. Now, with all these claims being unanswered or not specified, I feel that my opponent's arguments against my negative construction fail, and in turn give me superiority over why we should not mine the moon for the water that is said to be stored there. Thank you.